value. Place value means some numbers have particular place, some digits have particular places. For example, here you can see here ones, tens and 100. Ones means single digit, tens means two digits will come and it will become 10. 100 means 3 digits. 100 means 3 digits. So this is the place value. Ones, tens and 100. Can you tell me what is the 230? How to write? Here we go through some examples of place value. As I already told you, there are the place value chart. On this ones, tens and hundreds are there and so on. So here we are going to learn only up to 100. One example is there with me, 249. You can read this number na. Try to read all the numbers. 249. So whenever you are writing in the place value chart, always remember to start from your right side. Start from your right side. Okay, so which digit is there on the right side? 9. So 9 will come in ones place, so it will become 9 only. After 9, what is there? 4. Okay, 4 will come on tens place. 4 on tens place means it is 40. Whatever number is there on the tens place, it is 10 times of the number. Okay, so 4 will become 40 and 2 will come in on the hundreds place, so it is 200. So read this number, 249. Next one, 156. So where you have to start from? Your right side. Very good. First on ones place 6, 5 on tens place. So what it will become? 50. Very good. And 1 will come on hundreds place. So it will become 100. 156. You understand how to write? So these examples you have to practice. Now let's go through addition. Addition means plus. Very good. Here we are going to learn single digit addition. Addition means you have to plus, you have to add the numbers. Okay, so here first we'll go for 1 plus 1. Simple thing, either you can do directly or you have to hold your fingers, one finger in right side and one finger on the left side, left hand. So how much 1 plus 1? It will become 2. Very good. Now next one, 2 plus 3. Keep 2 in right hand and 3 on the left hand. Count 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. So the answer is 5. And the next one, 4 plus 2. You have to hold 4 fingers in your right hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, and in left hand you have to hold 2 fingers. So count totally 4, 5 and 6. The answer is 6. Here we are going to learn addition of 2 and 3 digit numbers. So as I already told you, place value, you can see here ones, tens, and in second one ones, tens and 100. So let's go and add. Always remember you have to start adding from your right side, from the ones place. If you start adding from the tens place, it will become wrong. Okay, so always the main rule is there to start from your right side or from the ones place. So here 4 and 3 is there. So as I already told you, keep 4 in your mind and 3 in the on the fingers. So 4, after 4 what comes? 5, 6, 7. 7. Now next 3 plus 5. So whichever bigger number you can keep in your mind, and small number you can count on the fingers. 5 in your mind and 3 on the fingers. 5 after 5 what comes? 6, 7, 8. Now here 3 you have to add with 2. Keep 3 in your mind and 2 in your finger. 3, 4 and 5. The answer is 5. 6 plus 2. Keep 6 in your mind and 2 in your fingers. 6, 7, 8. Very good. Now let's fast add 2 and plus 3. 2 plus 3. 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 5. Very good. Here addition of 2-digit number with regrouping with carry. With carry means if you get extra number, double number, you have to give one number to the next number. Here 28 you have to add it from the 45. So always remember where we have to start, from the ones place. So here on ones place 8 and 5 is there. So keep 8 in your mind and 5 on the finger. So after 8 what comes? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We got 13. But we can't keep all, we can't write 13 here full down. So what we have to write? We have to write ones place, which number is there? 3. So we have to keep this 1 downside and 1 we have to give to the next number. It's called carry. It's called carry. So in next number what is there? 4 plus 6. 4 plus 2. So how much? 4, 5, 6. And this one carry we have written here now, we have to add that also. So 6 plus 1, 7. Subtraction. Subtraction means what? You have to do minus. You have to minus it. Here you can see rules of subtraction in a way of poem. Subtraction poem. When I was in the school time, my math teacher taught me a poem. This poem helped me a lot to remember what are the rules of the subtraction. First one, more on top, no need to stop. It means if you minus 8 minus 3, you will get answer 5. But after minusing 8 minus 3, next number is there 5. But downside of 5 number is not there. It means no need of taking tension, no need of stopping. You have to take this 5 down and you have to move. Next, more on the floor, go next door and get 10 more. It means borrowing. Okay, here the whatever the main rule, upside whatever number is there should be bigger for the minus. But if the number is small, what you have to do? You have to go for the next number and take or borrow 10 from that number. 10 or 1. 1 means it will become 10 only. Okay. Numbers the same, zeros the game. If the number is same, in minus, if the numbers are same, for example here 8 minus 8. Okay, you have 8 chocolate and you ate all the 8 chocolates. How many chocolates remain with you? Nothing. Nothing means 0. So if the numbers are same, it will become 0. Hope you understand, and you have to remember this poem. It's very important thing. Subtraction of single digit number. Subtraction means minus. You have to minus the numbers from the other number. Here 4 and 2 is there. So always remember, for minus the number should be big. Which number? Upside number. So you have to hold your 4 fingers. Okay, and from that 4 finger you have to close 2 fingers. How much remain? 1 and 2. So the answer is 2. Here next, 6 minus 3. Hold 6 fingers. Minus 3. Just fold 3 fingers. How many fingers remain? 1, 2, 3. The answer is 3. Here subtraction of 2-digit and 3-digit number. Subtraction means already I told you minus, you have to do minus. So again here place value came ones, tens and hundred, ones and tens. So where you have to start from? From right side and from ones place. Very good. So here 4 minus 3. You have to minus 4 from 3. Hold 4 fingers. And close 3 fingers from this. What remain? 1. Very good. Now here 8, you have to hold 8 fingers, close 5 fingers. What remain? 3. Very good. Now this 3 minus 2, 1. 6 minus 2, hold 6 fingers, minus 2, it remains 4. 5 minus 3, hold 5 fingers, close 3 fingers and remain 2. Very good.